pretty chewing gum wrapper.
It's actually very shiny, Zuzu. And if you want to have it yourself, the only thing you need to do is... Hey, what's up?
You know, it's just typical Mutlu.
Of course I know.
You came just in time. We were about to have some delicious breakfast. It looks like a Children's Day. Oh, it's so wonderful to see, Manny. I wish we could have this on our pink planet.
No, it's our holiday as well. Neşe told this to me. Today was given to all children as a present. They have really interesting traditions. Look, Mutlu gave this to me for it. It's called an allowance.
Mutlu finally convinced someone about this.
We better say he thought of it in the wrong way.
I better find him and tell him that it's a wrong thing to do. Manny, do you know where Mutlu is now?
He was trying to give another allowance to Yumat.
I'm over here, sis.
Mutlu? What on earth did you do?
I'm the tower that represents Children's Day. I just saw a show about it on TV. The students were climbing over each other so they could make a tower. So I made one.
It's a bit tiny, don't you think?
I can show you how to make one as well, you guys. And then we can make an even larger tower together.
We must!
I think we might have some problems, but whatever, let's do it.
Come on, it's okay. Now hold on to each other from your shoulders. You got that? It's your turn now. I'll go to the top. You guys are doing a good job.
Oh, you are so heavy, Mutlu.
Hold on now. Let me step here. Oh, sorry, Manny. It's working. Balance is important.
You should do it backwards.
Be careful, Mutlu.
I'm being careful, sis. Oh, no!
Oh, we should have a lighter person than you on the top, Mutlu.
Of course. Wait for me. I'll be right back.
We need to go to the market after this.
Are you making a tower, kids? It's not okay to make one on the road. Why don't you make it in front of the yard? That way, there won't be a problem if you fall. Safety first.
Are you going off to work, Dad? Isn't it a holiday today?
I forgot a file in my room at the university. I'll grab it and come right back.
Come on, sis. Let's get onto the grass like Dad told us to.
Oh no, oh no!
Watch out!
Whoa! I've got this, guys.
Oh! Ah!
Oh!
Oh! It's perfect!
Come on, Edda. It's your turn now.
Okay, I'm coming up.
Where is she going?
I'm back.
Hey! We can actually make an even larger tower!
Yeah!
I wonder how we look up here.
I think we look like the town musicians of Bremen.
Let's take a photo of us.
Minnie, Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie,